New York City, a skyline recognized by the entire world. But behind every tower, every shadow, and every steel beam lies a story of disaster, reinvention, and a relentless race toward the sky. This isn't just the history of a city, it's the story of how architecture became the heartbeat of New York's very identity. Long before skyscrapers dominated Manhattan, New York was a maze of Dutch-style houses, with brick facades and wooden structures. Imagine narrow streets, low buildings, and cramped marketplaces shaping the young city. But everything changed in 1811. A bold new street plan, perfectly rectangular, perfectly uniform, laid the foundation for modern Manhattan, a grid that would later host some of the tallest buildings in human history. But the road to greatness was violent. New York burned. Again and again. All that wooden architecture turned the city into a tinderbox. Major fires tore through entire neighborhoods, destroying thousands of homes. Faced with ruin, architects asked a radical question. How do we build a city that refuses to fall? The answer would change the world. Steel, a new material stronger, lighter, and more ambitious than anything before it. With it came the skyscraper revolution. Buildings like the Flatiron, the Woolworth, and the Empire State Building didn't just reshape the city, they redefined what humanity believed was possible. Every decade, the skyline evolved. The elegant Art Deco spires of the 1920s, the sleek, international style, glass boxers of the mid-century, and the futuristic supertalls piercing the clouds in the 21st century. New York was no longer just a city. It became a vertical civilization. But here's the twist. New York's greatest architectural achievement is not its height. It's its resilience. For every fire, every collapse, every crisis, New York rebuilt. Stronger, taller, smarter. Its architecture is a diary of survival, written in stone, steel, and light. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through New York's architectural past, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. More mysteries, more history, and more stories are coming soon.